George, cool cat getting back to you.
Meow, meow.
This is a little rough on my end, number 2, but I got you in there. Number 2, 750, I can hear you.
Hey D9, no cool cat wanted to say hello to you, man. 25 D9, I'm killing your cool cat said to tell you good evening, number 5 with the 5, I'm out.
10-4 for sure. Say hello to cool cat. I think I know which cool cat you're talking to. Milk tanker. 10-4 for sure. Number 5, your 50 bird white bulldozer right there.
Yeah, you cruising 50 bird watch. You said you want to head to the cat. The Bulldozer, number 5 mobile with the 10-5. I'm back where clean going out.
Hey, number 5, I went barefoot. I don't think you heard me. I tried a barefoot. I was showing off, but didn't get through. So it looks like I have to play off.
Catch you later, cool cat, number 5 with the wave again. Aloha.
Lucky I cut my gate off. I got keyed off.
That's alright, I got it on my video gate. It's all good.
I'll pay you. Don't put that on YouTube.
It's too late. I think it's already there.
He was right.
Alright there. Hey, I just I got to pay 750 not to put a YouTube up on that one.
That's alright. It's only 50 birds. You got an excuse there, go. It's alright. It doesn't matter. No one's going to hear it, yeah? No one will know about it. It's our little secret. Well, you know, it's that's how it runs in the real world. Welcome to my world. There you go. Welcome to my world.
Neighbor, neighbor, neighbor.
Okay, catch you later. D9, number 5 mobile gun.
Hey, can I key up on the 50 birds there, number 5, 750? I want to key up now. Come on, number 5, 750. I got 50 birds too.
Yeah, 25 D9, no pain, no jump like a string. Catch you later, Dozer. You know it is cruising downtown.
Yeah, that's a creeper up there.
There's only 50 birds as well there, number 5. Hey, number 5, 750, 50 birds, 50 birds, 50 little birds there, come on.
You're making me look like a liar. Hey, Bulldozer, you made me look like a liar. I'll see you.
Hey, number 5, 50 little bird watch, 750 with 50 little birds there, come on.
Okay, so it's all cool there, duck fucker. That's how it goes on the radio. Me and my 100 birds just got gold.
Okay, well, you cruising 100 birds, no doubt about it. Bulldozer, number 5, back round and go.
Cool down mode, cool down mode.
Hey, number 5, 750 barefoot, number 5, 750 barefoot, number 5, 750 barefoot there, come on.
Yeah, shit downtown there.
1 watt. Hey, number 5, 1 watt, 750, 1 watt there, come on.
See you later, looking good in Honolulu, we out.
Number 5, 1 watt, 750, 1 watt, come on.
Keys on me, but you want to listen out?
Hey, Dozer, I'm talking to my neighbor, man. I'm talking to my neighbor, right?
Hey, number 5, 750, 1 watt, 750, 1 watt, come on. Number 5, 750, 1 watt. Number 5, 750, 1 watt station, come on.
Did you get it?
I was trying 1 watt 2 there, D9, it didn't work, I couldn't get across either.
I hear you are working on that, we got.
Doesn't look like it's done that good. Number 5, my barefoot transmitter.
Yeah, I tried barefoot as well, D9, I couldn't do it.
That's all, I gotta go. Alright, I better get back to work. Have a good one, 750.
Check on that. It's our secret video gate. It's only between me and you and YouTube. No one else will know.
2510, Bulldozer.
Next time it's a little bit more quiet. I'll see if I can put my transmitter across the waters. Alright, number 5, say hello to 2510 and all the gang. And I'm going to shut this thing down. Bye, 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 bye.
Roger that, D9, don't pay no string, man. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he can hear you, man. Hey, D9, I'm pretty darn sure he can hear you right about now. Catch you later, Bulldozer, number 5 Mobile, we out.
Boy. Quick. Hey, Bulldozer, are you sure you're going to go?
I got my walkie-talkie.
You're going to come back and key it up when I'm on the key, are you?
Walkie-talkie, keying up on a walkie-talkie there, come on. .750 walkie-talkie station, Brager.
Yeah, you do that, rough and tough, though.
Yeah, 2510, 750, working my walkie-talkie now, come on.
750 calling you out. Yeah, I gotta mix up, that's how much time. They called your 750?
No, number 5 was letting him know that I was calling him. No, number 5 was just telling him that I was calling him.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Is that you still out there, 28? Come on.
Yeah, in there, man.
Yeah, I got you there, number 5. We're just working these walkie-talkies now, 750. I can hear 2510 as well, and I don't know if 28 was out there, but you're still showing up anyway, number 5. Number 5, 750, tiny station going again.
Roger that, 750, while you're working at base station, you're still showing up downtown Honolulu. 750, number 5 with the wave, aloha.
Hey, number 5, 1 watt, 750, 750, barefoot, 1 watt, 1 watt. Hey, number 5, 750, trying barefoot, come on.
Yeah, there, 750, no signals. You got a real good signal coming back Honolulu. 750, number 5 with the wave, aloha.
Hey, number 5, that was barefoot, man. That was 1 watt. I just wanted to see if 1 watt would make it across there. Come on.
Well, it's working. I think it's working. It's working coming across the mighty Bulldozer.
Check on that, man. We're back on now, man. I just wanted to try barefoot, man. I just wanted to try and key up with 1 watt and see if I could do it. I think it just made it across. That's too good, man. Number 5, take care. This 1 watt station making it across on 1 watt. I'm happy with that. 750. We're standing by.
Dipping and dabbing in your Kool-Aid.
Number 5, 750. We're back to barefoot now. 750. Barefoot.
Roger that, 750 with the barefooted radio. I hear Bulldozer on the barefooted radio too, bro. OG Kello saying one bird. I'll catch you later, D9 on the barefoot radio. 750 while you're working in barefooted radio too. Number 5.